Good morning, traders. It's Christian Kerr, Senior Market Strategist at dailyfx.com. This is my recap of my price and time for July 14th, 2014. The three markets I'm looking at in today's price and time are the Euro, Aussie Kiwi, and the S&P 500. In the Euro, uh, it's kind of more of the same. Kind of my big levels remain 136.50 on the top side. When we get back to there, I think it'll confirm at least some sort of move higher is trying to unfold here. Kind of key level on the downside is at 35.70 area. There's some nice scan levels there, so if we get back below that, I think it sets up a move to that bigger support area around 135. But it's kind of in a bit of no man's land. In terms of timing, next week is kind of the more important time frame for me within the euro. So I'm kind of just gauging price action until then. Aussie Kiwi, I think we're at a really important inflection point, potentially in that cross. I wrote about it last week as one of my trade ideas. Today we got to within a few pips of my idealized reversal zone before coming back, so watch that closely. I think we're at a really important time in that cross, and I think it could set up maybe potentially really important low. Kind of the first level of resistance, the first zone I'm watching is right around 106.75. We can close above that today. It'll be enough confirmation for me that we have something trying to happen here in that cross. So keep an eye on that. And the chart you see here, this is the S&P 500. The title of my piece today is "It's Time to Be Skeptical of Equity Market Strength." I have three long-term timing models converging later this week over the next few days. That suggests to me that we're due for some sort of turn in stocks. I readily admit in my piece this morning that trying to pick tops in stocks has been a very dangerous game, but it's a very compelling setup given that we have sentiment at very bullish extremes and positioning starting to show kind of that crowded trade here. Kind of my key zone is 1989 to about 2006. There's some really nice symmetry there in terms of square relationships and GAN. So that'd be my idealized area to start looking for a potential turn going into this turn window. Obviously, we have Miss Yellen's Humphrey Hawkins testimony. That could be a potential catalyst for a turn. Kind of my bias going into that, though, I could see that as the final kind of excuse to rally this market to maybe melt it up, maybe try to take it through that 2006 area first before coming back down. That's kind of what I'm leaning towards. But we also have option expiration as well, which is another potential catalyst. But watch this. I think it's start looking for signs of potential failure in stocks towards the end of the week, and that would be the first my first signs that we're gonna get some sort of move lower. 1948 or thereabouts is kind of my downside pivot, but I would expect that to not even be tested for a few weeks after we do get a top. Anyway, keep close on these markets. Good luck, profitable trading. Christian Kerr signing off.